Hello friends, my name is Kavya. Now I'm going to take a seminar topic for 2-3 trees in data structure. Let's we see the topic. Introduction. What is a 2-3 tree? Definition. Here 2-3 tree is a tree in which each internal node non-leaf has either 2 or 3 children and all leaves are at the same level. 2-3 tree definition. Every internal node is either a 2 node or a 3 node. A 2 node has one key and 2 children subtrees. Here we see 2 node. Here 8 has 2 children node, one left and right. All keys in left subtrees are smaller than this key. All keys in right subtrees are bigger than this key. Now a 3 node has 2 keys and 3 children. First key is smaller than second key. Now 3 node 1 3. It has left children, middle children and right children. All keys in left subtrees are smaller than first key. All keys in middle subtrees are bigger than first key and smaller than second key. All keys in right subtrees are bigger than second key. All external nodes are on the same level. Now we are going to see an example for 2-3 trees. Now we are taken 8 as parent node. It has 2 children. Left as 4 and right as 15 and 20. In left side part it has 2 node and in the right side part it has 3 node. For example 4 has 1 and 3 in left side. 5 and 6 on right side. In third node 3 node 15 20 has 9 and 17 in left node and 30 and 40 on right side node. It is an 3 node. Next example of a 2-3 tree. The item in 2-3 are ordered by their search key. Example 50 90. It has left child, middle child, right child. In left child 20, middle child 70 and right child 20 50 150 120 150. 20 it has 10 30 40. 10 has left child and 30 and 40 has right child because 10 is lesser than 20 and 30 and 40 is greater than 20. So greater than 20 is in the right child and lesser than 20 is in left side. Then 70 it is a middle child. It has 60 and 80 subtrees. Then 20 and 120 and 150 it has 100 110 160 in right child. In this a node may contain 1 or 2 keys. All leaf nodes are at the same depth. All non-leaf nodes except the root have either one key and 2 subtrees or 2 keys and 3 subtrees. Insertion at the leaf. If the leaf overflows, split into 2 leaves, insert them into the parent, which may also overflow. Deletion at the leaf. If the leaf underflow has no item, merge it with the siblings. Removing a value and subtrees from the parent, which may also underflow. The only changes in the depth or when the root splits are underflow. The advantage of the 2-3 trees. Even though searching a 2-3 tree is not more efficient than the searching of a binary search tree. By following the node of a 2-3 tree to have 3 children, a 2-3 tree might be shorter than the shortest possible binary search tree. Maintaining the balance of a 2-3 tree is relatively simple than maintaining the balance of a binary search tree. Inserting into a 2-3 tree. Perform a sequence of insertions on a 2-3 tree is more earlier to maintain the balance than in binary search tree. Example, inserting into a 2-3 tree. Insert 39. In this tree, we are going to insert a 39 at the leaf of 40. This node contains only one item. Can simply insert the new item into this node. Now we are going to see an deleting from 2-3 tree. The deleting strategy for 2-3 tree is the inverse of its insertion strategy. Just as a 2-3 tree spreads insertion throughout the tree by splitting nodes when they become too full. It spreads deletions throughout the tree by merging nodes when they become empty. Now we are going to delete in this image 70. Then swap with in-order successor. Now it deleted the 70 value from the leaf. Merge nodes by deleting empty leaf and moving 80 down. In this, 70 is deleted and 80 is moved to down place. Then it become left child. 90 becomes a. Next step, we are going to delete 100. 100 deleted value from leaf. Now it has 90 as parent, 60 as left child and 80 as right child. But it does not work. Now because 90 is greater than 80. So now we are going to redistribute. 80 and 90 going to be re-exchange their place. Now 80 is going to be a parent and 60 and 90 is going to be a children. 60 is a left children and 90 is a right children. Thank you friends.